Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and in this video we would like to show how you can activate and manage the keyboard clipboard on this device. First of all, you gotta launch the keyboard. I gotta use this Google search bar widget for it. Here at the top part of your keyboard where all the icons are located and shortcuts are located as well, locate this very picture that stands for the clipboard itself, tap on it, and all that it's left to do in order for the clipboard to be activated is for this switch to be enabled. And as you can see, that will mean that the clipboard has been successfully enabled. Now, if you would like to get rid of some particular clipboard elements, just tap on this pencil, choose what elements you would like to remove, and then click on the trash bin. And, well, respectively, in order to add anything to the clipboard, you just gotta copy it. So let's say I want to add the word car to it. I'll type it in, select, copy, and if I'll get back to the clipboard, I'll see that the car word has been successfully added as the new element of my clipboard. Next, if you want to use any of the present elements you have here, just tap on it and those elements will be successfully pasted. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!